Tom here with Cerakote Ceramics. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to apply the Cerakote Ceramic Glass Coating Protectant. This is an improved formula that provides greater longevity, improved water behavior for maximum water shedding, and it is easier to apply than ever. Before the application, you need to have a clean windshield and ensure that there is no contamination on the glass. Make sure there are no streaks, smears, or water spots. It's important that the application is performed out of direct sunlight and in a clean environment. To begin, apply the ceramic glass coating to your windshield using a crosshatch pattern. Apply the coating across the windshield, working in one direction with a 50% overlap. Then, follow up with a new wipe working across in the opposing direction with a 50% overlap. Set a timer for 5 minutes. During this time, you may see coating begin to bead. This is a normal visual indicator that the coating is ready to be buffed. After 5 minutes, level the coating using the high-quality microfiber cloth included in your kit. Use one side of the microfiber cloth to level the coating and then switch to the other side to completely buff the glass to a brilliant shine. You'll need to let the coating cure for 2 hours before driving or exposing to moisture, and wait at least 24 hours before washing or using your wipers. Alright, now you've got the ultimate protection with maximum water shedding and hydrophobicity. As always, if you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to our technical support department.